In today's digital age, the fusion of technology and creativity has opened up exciting avenues for earning money, particularly through AI-generated art. This video aims to guide you on how to potentially earn $500 a day by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence in your artistic endeavors. Whether you're an aspiring artist or someone with no prior skills, this method is incredibly accessible. You don't need to be a seasoned painter or a graphic design expert. All you need is a willingness to explore and experiment with AI tools. Imagine creating stunning pieces of art in minutes, all while tapping into a growing market that appreciates unique, AI-generated creations. The potential of AI in the art world is not just a trend. It's a revolution that democratizes creativity and opens doors for anyone to participate. As we delve deeper into this topic, you'll discover practical tips and strategies to kickstart your journey in this innovative field. Get ready to unleash your creativity and explore how AI can transform your passion into a profitable venture. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey into the world of AI art. Step 1. Understand AI art and its potential. AI art refers to artwork created with the assistance of artificial intelligence algorithms, which can generate images, designs, and even animations based on user inputs. This innovative approach has gained immense popularity in the digital marketplace, attracting both seasoned artists and newcomers alike. As technology continues to evolve, AI art is becoming a sought-after medium, with collectors and enthusiasts eager to explore its unique offerings. There are numerous platforms available where you can create and sell AI-generated art. Websites like Artbreeder, DeepArt, and DALL-E allow users to experiment with different styles and techniques, making it easy to produce captivating pieces. Once your artwork is ready, you can showcase and sell it on marketplaces such as Etsy, Redbubble, or even specialized NFT platforms. One of the most appealing aspects of AI art is the low barrier to entry for beginners. You don't need extensive training or artistic skills to get started. Many AI tools are user-friendly and designed for anyone to use. This accessibility empowers individuals to dive into the world of art creation, making it an exciting opportunity for those looking to monetize their creativity. Embrace the potential of AI art and unlock new possibilities today. Step 2. Choose the right AI art tools. Selecting the right AI art tools is crucial for your creative journey. Popular AI art generators like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Artbreeder have gained recognition for their unique capabilities and user-friendly interfaces. DALL-E, developed by OpenAI, allows you to create images from textual descriptions, making it perfect for those who want to visualize their ideas. Midjourney focuses on generating high-quality, artistic images, while Artbreeder enables users to blend and modify existing images to create something entirely new. Getting started with these platforms is straightforward. Simply visit their websites and sign up for an account. Most platforms offer free trials or basic versions, allowing you to explore their features without any financial commitment. Once registered, take some time to navigate the interface. Familiarize yourself with the tools available, such as image generation options, customization features, and community galleries. When choosing the right tool, consider user-friendliness and the specific features that align with your artistic goals. Look for platforms that offer tutorials or community support, as these resources can help you maximize your creative potential. By selecting the right AI art tools, you'll set a solid foundation for your artistic endeavors and enhance your ability to create captivating pieces. Step 3. Create stunning art with AI. Now that you've chosen the right AI art tools, it's time to dive into the exciting process of creating stunning artwork. Start by selecting your preferred platform, whether it's DALL-E, Midjourney, or Artbreeder. Each tool has its unique features, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Begin by entering prompts or descriptions that inspire you. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles, themes, and keywords to see how the AI interprets your ideas. As you generate images, remember that creativity thrives on experimentation. Try combining various elements or adjusting the parameters to create something truly unique. The beauty of AI art lies in its ability to surprise you, so embrace the unexpected results. Once you have your generated images, consider refining and enhancing them for better appeal. Use editing tools available within the platform or external software like Photoshop to adjust colors, contrast, and details. Adding personal touches can elevate your artwork and make it stand out. Don't forget to save multiple versions of your creations, as this allows you to track your progress and revisit ideas. With practice and exploration, you'll soon be creating captivating AI art that reflects your unique vision. Step 4. Market your AI art effectively. Once you have created your stunning AI art, the next step is to market it effectively. There are several platforms where you can sell your artwork, including Etsy, Redbubble, and ArtStation. Each of these platforms caters to different audiences and offers unique features, so choose the one that aligns best with your artistic style and target market. Creating appealing listings is crucial for attracting potential buyers. Start by writing engaging descriptions that highlight the inspiration behind your artwork and the techniques used. Use relevant tags to improve searchability, ensuring that your art reaches the right audience. High-quality images of your artwork are essential, so showcase your pieces from various angles and in different settings to give buyers a clear view. In addition to listing your art on selling platforms, leveraging social media is vital for promoting your work. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are excellent for sharing your creative process and finished pieces. Engage with your audience by posting regularly, using relevant hashtags, and participating in art communities. Building a strong online presence will not only help you sell your art, but also connect you with fellow artists and potential buyers, expanding your reach in the vibrant world of AI art. Step 5. Set up a profitable pricing strategy. Establishing a profitable pricing strategy for your AI art is essential for maximizing your earnings. Start by conducting market research to understand the pricing landscape for similar artworks. Analyze what other artists are charging for comparable pieces on platforms like Etsy and ArtStation. This will give you a competitive edge and help you set prices that reflect both the quality of your work and the current market demand. Offering different formats and sizes can also enhance your pricing strategy. Consider providing digital downloads, prints, or even merchandise featuring your art. By diversifying your offerings, you can cater to a broader audience with varying budgets. For instance, a digital download may appeal to budget-conscious buyers, while high-quality prints can attract collectors willing to invest more. Don't be afraid to test various price points to find what works best for your art. Start with a competitive price and monitor sales performance. If certain pieces sell quickly, consider gradually increasing the price. Conversely, if some artworks aren't moving, you might want to lower the price or offer promotions. This iterative approach will help you refine your pricing strategy, ensuring that you maximize your profits while still appealing to your audience. Step 6. Build a brand around your art. Creating a unique brand identity for your art is essential for standing out in a crowded marketplace. Start by defining what makes your artwork special. Consider your artistic style, themes, and the emotions you want to evoke in your audience. This distinct identity will help you connect with potential buyers and create a memorable impression. Consistency is key when building your brand. Ensure that your style and presentation remain uniform across all platforms, from your website to social media profiles. Use a cohesive color palette, typography, and logo that reflect your artistic vision. This consistency not only enhances your professionalism, but also makes your work easily recognizable. Engaging with customers is another vital aspect of brand building. Respond to comments and messages promptly and show appreciation for those who support your art. Consider hosting live sessions or Q&A events to connect with your audience on a personal level. Sharing behind-the-scenes content, such as your creative process or inspiration, can also foster a deeper connection. By actively engaging with your audience and maintaining a consistent brand identity, you'll cultivate a loyal following. This community will not only support your current work but also help spread the word about your art, driving future sales and opportunities. Earning money with AI-generated art. Let's recap. In this video, we've explored the exciting journey of earning $500 a day with AI-generated art. We began by understanding the potential of AI art and its growing popularity in the digital marketplace. Next, we discussed how to choose the right AI art tools, guiding you through the process of creating stunning pieces. We then covered effective marketing strategies, including selecting the right platforms concepts and crafting appealing listings. Setting up a profitable pricing strategy was also highlighted, along with the importance of building a unique brand around your art. As you embark on this creative venture, remember that taking action and experimenting is crucial. Don't hesitate to try different styles, pricing strategies, and marketing techniques. The more you explore, the better you'll understand what resonates with your audience. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow aspiring artists. Click the link in the description below to find out more information about the tools that can help you in your journey with money-making AI tools. Your support helps us create more informative content to guide you on your journey in the world of AI art. Embrace your creativity, take the leap, and start turning your passion into profit today.